Probably hear lots of snoring and snorkeling and... Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I've been quite busy the last few days trying to finish off refurbishment, redecoration, etc. It's been one of those couple of weeks really where I just feel that everything that can go wrong has gone wrong. The tumble dryer conked out because it's still under warranty. I called the manufacturer, they sent an engineer out and it wasn't something that he could fix there and then. It's something that he had to get a part from back at the depot or whatever it is that they go to. And that was 2 weeks ago. I got a text yesterday to say that the parts that I need for it to be fixed is out of stock and they're hoping to get it within 7 days, or it could be 7 days. And then the saga of the bed with the missing pieces that I got from eBay. On Sunday I decided that I would have a go at putting the bed together, got everything out of all the packets and boxes and stuff. There was no instructions, no hardware, none of the the screws and stuff, and it's like there was two sets of slats and no actual frame. So I got a headboard, a footrest, and then just these planks. And some of the planks were splintering and they were a horrible colour. Oh, just... So I contacted the seller on eBay, didn't hear anything back until the next day, and they said that they would send a replacement out, which arrived today, but it got delivered to the wrong flipping house. Luckily, the person that had it delivered to them was honest, and we got a knock on the door saying, we think a bed's been delivered by mistake to their house. It was two, as I said, 2 doors down, next door but one. It had my name and address clearly on it. Apparently the delivery driver just put it all outside their house, rang the bell and said delivery and went. So... But it looks now as if all the pieces that I need to make the bed are there. It's actually got some side pieces that's got the velvet on, though it's not half been a trial trying to just get a bloody bed and a tumble dryer fixed. This video is a Tesco haul that I did yesterday, and I am still in shock from... Stop it! I'm still in shock from how much it was, even though I did the scan as you shop thing and it tells you on there how much it all is. I must have taken my eye off the ball, because when I got to the checkout and saw how much it was, I thought, oh my god, what the hell have I bought? And I didn't even have a trolley, because I did scan as you shop. I just put things straight into the shopping bags and carried them round, and my assistants helped me, Chloe. So let's have a look at what I bought from Tesco. This is sort of fridge and frozen stuff. I got some of these Tesco blueberry yogurt drinks. cholesterol lowering. I was looking for the probiotic ones. I've got 2 of the mint and chocolate cones. They're only £1. The Tesco own. I think the cornetto ones were 6 for, it was either £1.90 or £2.50. So these were £1 for 4, so I just picked up 2 boxes of them. Frubes, they're usually £1. These, I've only got 1 today because they're back up to full price. They had been £1 with your club card, but now they're back up to 2. So that's that. These are on special offer. These are £1.90 or £1.50 with your club card. Butter, I just got their own spreadable because it's getting ridiculous. For a pack of Anchor, I couldn't think of the name of it then. A pack of Anchor is like £3.50 for one of these for that same size, and that's just ridiculous. These, I'm not sure. I'll put the price on the screen. They're probably about £2 because it's an 8 pack. These, I usually pick up their own, which are only 66 pence, but these are the very last bag of croquettes in the shop. They were £1.50, and some straight cut chips. I've been having more chips because I've got an air fryer now, so they come out quite nice. And meat, 4 sirloin steaks. The offer is still on with the sirloin steaks, 2 for £7, so I got 4. That's £14 just on steak. Whew. Chicken breasts. I already have loads of chicken in the freezer, but this saves me defrosting, so I'm going to do Chloe one of these now. Give it a bash, flatten it out, put the Cajun spices on, and you'll have it with some of these. So those were £5, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in them, so it's like 5 for a, I'm going to say 5 for £1. £1 each, that's what I meant to say. It's not quite everything. Chloe's taken her shampoo, conditioner and shower gel upstairs. She's just getting in the bath at the moment, so that's where that is. Capri Suns, they were £2. Ketchup, £2.80. The cordial, £1. The barbecue sauce, £2, I think it was. Yeah, there it is. The sugar, 65 pence. Iced buns, well, 75 pence. 89 pence for those. I got 3 bags of those, but I didn't think there was any point in putting 3 out because I can just tell you that I got 3 of them. Thought I'd get, I don't think I've tried this one. So it's just a L'Oreal Elvive Full Resist Anti-Breakage Conditioner and the shampoo. These are just the small ones. I thought I'd give it a try. £2 each. Sun cream, £6. I might have overpaid for that, I think. £1.50 for coconut milk. They didn't have any of their own in at all. Their own is 75 pence, and so this is double the price. Ridiculous. Chloe got some of this Astral with cocoa butter and this cocoa butter. So the Palmer's one is on a special offer, so let's see. Oh gosh, the Astral was £4.65 and the Palmer's was £4, but then minus £1.34. What does that make it to? 66? I can't work it out. Richard's just come and nicked the frazzles that I'd put on here. I got him 3 of those. He picked up some bubbles, 95 pence. The chocolate twists were £1.20. 95 pence for the croissants. £1.25 for the pan au chocolat. And hiding behind here is some ready to eat roast chicken breasts. Those are, would you believe it, for the dog. They were two. I just saw them on here and now I've lost them again. Oh, there we are, £2.50. Another expensive thing is this. My hay fever's really affecting me a moment. I'm really allergic to all the cherry blossoms and other tree blossom that's around at the moment. So I have got this, and this, would you believe it was £9. I don't know. And some dog poop bags. Lovely. Those were £1.65. I nearly fainted when I saw how much it all was. £95, 78 pence. And I just feel like I've got nothing. So I think it'll be back to Aldi next week. So, that was quite shocking, wasn't it? And I'm thinking, I haven't really got enough food in to the weekend. Well, we got enough food for a couple of days and then I have to go shopping again. But like I said in the whole part of this video, I think it'll be Aldi next week, or perhaps for the next couple of weeks. Oh, but there were some expensive items in it, so I feel sort of that justifies it partly. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. Bye.